Hello, fifth grade. So we are going to be doing the part of our Anamograph where this, like, our two projects are going to go onto this. So we already did the lines on both of our papers. Now we need to make the same exact lines on this paper. So you're going to do the same exact process that you did on this paper to this paper. This one is roughly, here, let me see where 12 is. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this is roughly 18 inches. So you need to have 18 lines. So you're going to do the same exact thing. You're going to make a line for each inch. Just make those tick marks. Try to make them as straight as possible because eventually we're going to cut the pieces of paper and glue them onto here. Once you have all your tick marks ready, you're going to, again, use your ruler. Try to make the lines as straight as possible. And you're going to do that for all of the tick marks. If you did the measuring right, your tick marks should all be an inch wide. Once you have all of them, we should have 18. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, so you should have 18. Now what we're going to do is you're going to take your paper and we have to make sure that our images are opposite of each other. So right now they're flipped, which doesn't matter right now. But from here, from left to right, you're going to do 1A, then you're going to do 1B, then you're going to do 2A, and then 2B, and so on and so forth until you get to the 9A and 9B. And then that's what you should have. And then at this point, what you would do is do not cut all of them and leave like the little pieces. What you're gonna do is if you're gonna start cutting and doing 1A, you're gonna cut off 1A and then you're going to flip it, of course, because that's where your drawing's gonna be. And then you're gonna glue it to this side. Do not cut all of them because then you might lose the pieces and it's gonna get very confusing. It'll be a lot easier on you if you cut only what you are ready to glue in that moment. So cut 1A, glue 1A. Then you're gonna cut 1B and glue it to 1B. You're gonna keep doing that till you get to 9B. And then that's how you would make the Anamograph. It should be looking like that at some point. You can kind of see it in the back too when I was doing it. It'll say like 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. And then, yeah, once you have it all glued down, make sure it's dry. And then you're just going to kind of, it'll start to fold in on itself. And it'll kind of look like a fan. And then you should have your Anamograph and you'll kind of be able to see it that way.